Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at EnforceTac in Nuremberg, which I know is unusual because you got a couple of highly American men here.
Yes.
Myself, and you guys remember Hammer, literally just chatted with you at Chacho like 2 weeks ago, and here we are in another continent with another gun, the KP50. Now, you guys have dabbled with 5.7 before, you have the P50,
Yep.
but this is a little bit different. Tell me all about it.
So this is the next evolution of our P50 platform. So as you can see, a lot of similarities to it with the receiver, but it's actually a completely different receiver than it was before. But now you can see, with KelTec folding brace, it can be available in a stock as well. So as you said, KP50, civilian model, but we also have MP50, which is our military government. It's George's idea on a government machine pistol that he wanted to come out with. So comes with fully machined receiver, which is also kind of a newer thing for us that we've gotten, because you guys have known we've always been more on the polymer side of things, but this is a completely metal gun, aluminum receiver for your actual serialized part. And then we have the new lower that's fully machined as well with the pick rail adapter in the back. Comes with, like I said, either the KelTec brace or stock on there, or you can get it as just the pistol itself. We're going to have 3 different kind of variants of it on the website. So we'll have the pistol with the brace with the jungle mag, and then we'll have the Defender that comes with the Vortex and all that kind of stuff too, and our new KelTec speed loader.
AR-15 grips.
So yeah, it also comes with the B5, still has the AR-15 style charging system on there, and we're pretty proud of this thing. It's awesome, it shoots really good. Love it in full auto.
I can imagine. 5.7 has like virtually no recoil, so I see you've got also full optic rail up top. I love the vents, almost like the Predator, M203 style handguard for the the M16. This is a 5.7 gun using P90 type magazines, correct? Yep. But tell me more about that.
So you have your magazine release right here in front of the trigger guard, push down, pops out, and this is with the jungle mag, so you see you have 2 magazines adapted together, or, as you can see on this highly tethered one, the single one. So they just pop right back in just like that. Nice with the jungle mag, you can pop the mag out, flip, right back in, 100 rounds on board. So
half by 28.
Half 28. So yeah, I just dumped 4 mags to this thing in full auto with a flow-through can on it, and took it no problem. Shot super great. It runs like a sewing machine. You get about 850 rounds per minute.
Talk to me about the operating system. How does this thing work?
So it's a straight blowback design, so super reliable, super easy to maintain, super easy to break down and clean. So
show me.
So mag out, then you have these 2 tabs on either side. You can see here and here. Pull back on those. The script just pops right off. And you can see like that. And then if you want to break down a little bit farther, pull down on there, push the bolt out, and then you have your fully disassembled firearm.
Yeah, you weren't kidding. You can really break this thing apart in 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Finally, barrel length.
This is just like your P50 before, so it's a 9-inch barrel.
All right, Hammer, so the 2 most important questions of any show: when's it going to be out, and how much is it going to cost?
So we're pushing for a Q2 release on this. Of course, we're going to try to get it out to you as fast as possible, so if it can come out in Q1, we're going to do it, but right now it's looking like a Q2 release. They're being manufactured right now. They're running on the mills and the lathes, getting pushed out fast as possible. As far as prices and everything's go, we're going to have 3 different kind of variations. You're going to have your pistol version of it, with just the stripped with the single mag for $8.99. You're going to have your braced version with the jungle mag for $10.99, and you'll have your Defender version that's going to come with your Explorer case, your Vortex crossfire, and the KelTec speed loader for $13.49.
Hammer, thank you as usual for joining us on TFBTV. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from EnforceTac 2026. Take care.